Welcome to MrTech's world of ingenious creations. These homemade wood splitters are unlike anything you've seen before. Crafted with passion, they merge artistry with function. Curious? Let's dive into the craftsmanship that makes splitting wood feel like magic. If you're dealing with tough logs and stubborn wood, Green Mech's hydraulic log splitter is the game changer you've been looking for. Engineered for maximum efficiency, this powerful machine splits hardwood, tree trunks, and wooden slabs with ease. The stainless steel splitting wedge ensures precision and durability, making it ideal for all types of wood. This DIY firewood processor from New Zealand is a game changer. With an electronically controlled hydraulic valve, it ensures seamless automation. Once the blade reaches the top of its stroke, it triggers a switch that keeps the valve open, allowing the feed belt to run for an adjustable short period. No more waiting on suppliers or overpaying for cuts that don't fit your needs. A homemade portable sawmill turns raw logs into precise, custom boards, your way, on your time. Plus, there's nothing quite as satisfying as watching rough timber transform into smooth, usable planks right before your eyes. This gas-powered screw log splitter is a masterpiece of ingenuity. Built on a sturdy frame repurposed from an old generator, it runs on an engine salvaged from a retired pressure washer. The belt and pulley system, carefully sourced from eBay. The result? A machine that works like a charm, turning logs into firewood with ease. Designed for efficiency, this 9-ton electric log splitter provides a consistent, high-powered performance without the noise or emissions of gas models. Its heavy-duty build ensures durability, while the electric motor offers smooth operation. Ideal for residential and light commercial use, it handles a variety of log sizes with ease, making wood splitting safer and more efficient. What if I told you firewood processing could be easier, faster, and more satisfying? This isn't your average firewood processor. It's an innovative, custom-made attachment designed for Avant loaders. It takes the back-breaking labor out of firewood cutting while giving you a seamless, high-quality experience. Why struggle with an axe when this 2.8 kilowatt mechanical log splitter does the work for you? With raw power and precision, it makes wood chopping quick, effortless, and even fun. Built to last and designed for maximum efficiency, it's the perfect tool for homeowners, professionals, and wood-burning enthusiasts alike. Why work hard when you can work smart? This hydraulic wood cutting saw takes the effort out of splitting logs, turning hours of work into minutes. With a simple push of a button, the machine does the heavy lifting for you. No strain, no hassle, just smooth, effortless operation. Whether for business or personal use, it's a game changer. You stand before a massive pile of wood, feeling overwhelmed by the tiring task of splitting firewood ahead. But what if I told you there's a machine that can do both? Cut and split. With just one device, you can easily cut wood with a chainsaw and immediately split it without needing multiple tools. It's like having two powerful machines in one, making firewood preparation faster than you think. You need a powerful saw, but your workshop is, well, non-existent. What if I told you a simple car tire and a bit of ingenuity could give you a 5 kilowatt cutting powerhouse? No need for fancy sawmills, just a compact setup in your backyard. This homemade jigsaw is proof that big results come from smart, unconventional ideas. Wood splitters powered by small tractors offer an efficient hydraulic solution. However, a long pedal stroke can slightly affect ergonomics. Each press and release requires full foot movement, which might cause fatigue over prolonged use. While the hydraulic output remains strong, optimizing pedal travel would enhance user comfort significantly.
Do zobaczyska.
Ever struggled with wasted wood, uneven cuts, or inefficient tools? Whitland's Engineering 1050 changes the game. Its high-precision blades and industrial-grade components make your job easier, faster, and flawlessly precise. No more waste, no more rework, just smooth, clean cuts every time. For those in woodworking, the 750-watt rack and pinion saw offers a precise cutting experience. While you can secure a necessary stand from a bearing shop, along with an additional pinion gear, proper installation still requires a dedicated shaft. However, initial test results are promising, indicating strong potential for efficiency and accuracy. The CoMap SD100DLTR is engineered for maximum efficiency in wood processing. With a robust design capable of handling mixed wood bundles up to 42 centimeters in diameter, it offers a seamless combination of power and precision. Its ergonomic controls reduce operator fatigue, and the built-in safety mechanisms ensure compliance with industry standards. For professionals who demand power and reliability, the Hydrocombi 24 Turbo is a game changer. Equipped with a 24-ton hydraulic system, it efficiently splits logs up to 1 meter long with minimal effort. This homemade log splitter leverages a spring-loaded mechanism to maximize energy transfer with minimal user effort. The elasticity of the spring stores potential energy, releasing it in a concentrated burst, splitting wood with remarkable ease. Unlike traditional axes that require repeated swings, this system delivers precision and consistency every time. The Iglin WR6 wood splitter is engineered for efficiency. Featuring an integrated feed table, it optimizes workflow by smoothly transporting logs into the splitting chamber. The powerful hydraulic system ensures consistent, precise splitting, reducing manual labor while increasing output. Designed for durability and high performance. Power meets precision with the SAM DIY wood saw. This powerhouse, equipped with a C328 drive shaft and a staggering 180 bar pressure system, slices through logs up to 50 centimeters in diameter like butter. Built for DIYers who demand performance, its robust design ensures efficiency and durability. Whether you're crafting or cutting, this saw turns hard work into effortless precision. There's a better way, and it's called the 16-ton electric hydraulic log splitter. This powerful beast takes logs that would normally fight back and splits them in seconds. No more sore arms, no more wasted weekends. Just push a button and let it do its thing. It's time to retire that old axe. You deserve something smarter and faster.
This is an oak. Bad up. I never had to clean my chimney. I've never cleaned my chimney in my life. Never anything in it. It's not like I just don't do it. I just don't do it.
Ever struggled with stacking and drying firewood efficiently? The Tempest EF4 changes the game. This powerful log splitter comes with a bundling wood tray and poly strapping to secure firewood right from the machine. No extra handling, no wasted time. Even under tough weather conditions, these straps stay strong for 2 years, keeping your firewood neatly bundled. Hey there, woodworkers, campers, and backyard fire pit lovers. Ever wrestled with a stubborn log, swinging your axe like a lumberjack in an old-timey cartoon? Say goodbye to sore arms and wasted hours. Our hydraulic log splitter takes the back-breaking work out of splitting wood, turning massive logs into firewood with just the push of a lever. It sounds too good to be true, but the SMD18-based wood chipper does exactly that. By streamlining wood processing for gasification, it helps businesses save money while ensuring a consistent energy supply. Say goodbye to wasteful methods. This is innovation at its finest. In the village of Vansho, there was a special log splitting machine, a shared asset of the entire village. To operate it, at least 3 people, ideally 4, had to work in perfect coordination. When they did, the work proceeded with astonishing speed and efficiency. For many years, this machine was a reliable helper for the villagers, diligently operating until the early 1980s. Now it is no longer in use. When cutting wood with a handsaw, a simple yet effective improvement can help increase productivity and safety. Raising the cutting table slightly and tilting it at about 30 to 40 degrees. This design allows the wood to slide directly into the truck after cutting, eliminating the need for throwing or manual movement, reducing the risk of close contact with the saw blade and ensuring operator safety. A saw slicing through wood is an oddly satisfying sight. The smooth motion, the perfect cut, the sense of accomplishment. But that satisfaction should never come at the cost of safety. Your hands are irreplaceable, and a moment of carelessness can lead to irreversible damage. Treat the saw with respect, and it will serve you well. This DIY tire cutting saw is engineered for maximum efficiency. Its streamlined design optimizes cutting force while minimizing effort, making it one of the best solutions for tire recycling and repurposing. The combination of power and precision ensures clean cuts with minimal waste. Once upon a time, woodcutting was exhausting until the Boschert RS 703 Proto Premier Force Live arrived. Imagine a machine so powerful yet so precise that it turns even the toughest logs into perfectly smooth cuts. No more wasted effort, no more frustration, just pure efficiency. Whether you're in the workshop or deep in the forest, this saw makes every cut feel like magic.
All right, I want to show you a picture here, a little video of this is a buck.
Once upon a time, woodcutting was exhausting until the Boschert RS 703 Proto Premier Force Live arrived. Imagine a machine so powerful yet so precise that it turns even the toughest logs into perfectly smooth cuts. No more wasted effort, no more frustration, just pure efficiency. Whether you're in the workshop or deep in the forest, this saw makes every cut feel like magic. The MFA drum saw solves that problem instantly. With its ability to cut multiple logs at once while maintaining top-tier safety, the solution you've been looking for. Less effort, more results, zero compromise. Once upon a time, woodcutting was exhausting, until the Boschert RS 703 Proto Premier for Slive arrived. Imagine a machine so powerful, yet so precise, that it turns even the toughest logs into perfectly smooth cuts. No more wasted effort, no more frustration,